Hello everyone and welcome to the daily analysis for the 29th of January. So in store for tomorrow we have some USD volatility and that is regarding the FOMC statement and the federal funds rate. So we can see a lot of activity potentially tomorrow and that is at 7 p.m. UK time. So more towards the end of the trading session that we particularly trade from, but it's important to keep an eye out for that news and obviously adjust your trade positions and your stop losses, etc., and go by like that. So straight off the bat with GBPUSD, not too much really. We didn't find anything, but interesting close towards the 6 o'clock candle. We have that test to the downside in the zone and a bullish momentum to the upside. So if you did take a buy trade from now, not too bad of a decision to make. We do have 55 pips risk potential here, and obviously if this does manage to continue and push to the upside, then we'll see what happens. But obviously make sure that this trade for you is 1%, so you're going to have to obviously adjust your your lot sizes, etc. So yeah, so a good potential to buy GBPUSD right now. Euro USD coming to just fell short of our zone here, but we can see some form of retracement, so keep an eye out if we end up touching our purple zone at the top here or at the bottom, so just keep an eye out exactly for that. USD JPY, we can see that we had that gap as we spoke about in the Monday analysis with the gap, and we're just literally filling it up, so it's a good time. It's a good convenience to check this area out here. That's why we spoke about it. Essentially, we'll be looking to see if we can actually close back inside of this, and then we'll determine which way the market will go. Really, if we'll close up, then we'll wait for that pullback before we go higher. But if we go into this area with the rejection and followed by the bearish momentum, we could see this fall further as well, especially due to the FOMC news tomorrow. With gold, a huge bearish run to the downside, really. A lot of struggle in price action here. And if we have a look at this candle here, this would have been the confirmation for a short to go for, and you'd be in roughly 94 pips in profit if you did take that short to the downside. Now just pay attention to our monthly key level 1563 just in case, as we could expect some potential support here, or hopefully if you did take that short, then this could continue it to the downside and tap into this blue area here. In the case that does happen, essentially what we'll do is see how it reacts to this point and see if it acts as support, or if we're able to close below and find the retest, and we could start to see a possible change in gold. So yeah, we'll have to look closely on that tomorrow and see exactly what will happen. But in regard to the analysis, make sure you're checking the news for tomorrow, more towards the end of the trading session, 7 p.m. UK time, in respect to your own time as well. And obviously check out any of our other videos and the weekly analysis videos for a refresher on the zones that we're talking about here. So that will be all from us. Thank you very much for listening, and we'll see you tomorrow.